Hello children, welcome back to my class. So as we are dealing with the lesson, the story of 4 seasons. So what happened in this story? So long ago it was the hot and summer day all the time. So they were very uncomfortable. They are very tired and they are unable to eat anything. Just the dry grass and the dust filled air. So everyone gathered there and they discussed about this problem. So one of them said that they can go to the skyland to meet the old man. So who said this? Bear. Bear said, and he gave an idea. So they started moving to the skyland by following the shining road. Then afterwards they reached to the skyland and they go to the sky woman home. Then they said about their problem. Then the sky woman gave them 3 bags. As you can see that 3 bags, and she said that they have to open these bags after reaching the earth. Okay, now let us see what happens. After returning to the earth, all the animals gathered around to see what was in the bags. Rabbit opened his bag first. Whoosh! Out of the bag came the winds. The dry grasses and bushes swayed. S-W-A-Y-E-D, swayed. Here swayed is nothing but moved slowly from side to side. Leaves flew off the trees. Okay, so who opened the bag first? Rabbit opened the bag first, and what it comes? The wind came with a whoosh sound and moved here and there. All the leaves flew off the trees. The leaves started falling from the trees. Then what season does this bag contain? Can anybody say? Okay, I will be asking you in the last one. Then Owl opened his bag. Out of his bag came rain and fog. The animals sang and danced for joy. Hooray! Now we will have cool water to drink and delicious green grass to eat. Now what it comes? It comes rain and fog. Who opened? All opened the second bag. First who opened? Rabbit. So all the leaves flew off the trees. Okay, this was the autumn season suppose, and see this one is the rainy season. Then the last one is, finally polar bear opened his bag. Out of it came soft white snow that quickly filled the air and covered the ground. Nothing but winter season has come. Then finally who opened? Polar bear opened his last bag. From that day the earth has had 4 seasons. What are those? That is nothing but spring, summer, autumn and winter. Here autumn nothing but the season between summer and the winter, in which fruits and crops become ready to eat and the leaves of trees fall. Autumn is usually seen in cold places. Okay, and ever since all the earth's animals have had water to drink, food to eat and air to breathe. Now which animals will be happy in winter? Mostly these polar bears will be happy in the winter. Okay, so what season does this bag contain now? Autumn, right? Autumn or spring seasons. Okay, so that's all. This was the lesson part. Now let us go for the textbook part. Answer in brief. First one, what was the weather like on the earth? What was the weather? Yes, it was summer all the time. Second, why were the animals unable to live happily? Because it was too hot for them to live, and no dew to drink, no for food to eat and no air to breathe. Okay, third one, where did Sky Woman live? She lived in the place called Skyland, which was high up in the sky among the clouds. Fourth one, how did the animals reach the place where Sky Woman lived? They reached the place by taking the shining road. Okay, next fifth one, what did Sky Woman give the animals? Yeah, she gave the animals 3 bags which contain different seasons. Nothing can answer. Let us meet the other in the evening and think of a plan. Who said these words? Yes, the animals were successful. Yes, polar bears said these words. So what was the plan? They decided to go to the Sky Woman. Okay. Yes, we have reached Skyland. Who said these words? Yes, an eagle said these words. We have reached Skyland. Then what happened? What did they do next? Yes, they go to the Sky Woman's house and asked for help. Then did she help? Yes, she helped. Complete this table. Animals. What are the animals here? Polar bear, owl and rabbit. What the bag contain? Polar bear bags contain snow. Owl's bag contains rain and fog. Rabbit's bag contain wind. So how it helped the earth? Snow helped. It provided ice for animals like the polar bear and made the earth cool. Then next, rain and fog, it provided water for drinking and made the green grass delicious. Then what the wind helped? It brought fresh breeze on the earth. Okay, so this bit, think and answer. Why do you think the animals were successful in bringing the 4 seasons down to the earth? Yeah, they were successful in bringing the 4 seasons to earth because they worked hard with unity to bring the 4 seasons. Next one, why was it important for the animals to open the bags on the earth and not anywhere else? If they had opened the bags anywhere else, then the 4 seasons would have remained there itself. So that's why after reaching the earth, they opened the bags. Now let us come for the grammar part. Grammar part, this one is related again to the pronouns, children. What do you mean by pronoun? Yes, pronoun is used in place of a noun. Pronoun is used in place of a noun. Examples of pronouns are she, I, they, he, we, you and it in the place of nouns. They are called pronouns. For example, she is very wise. They danced for joy. Now, this I will be explaining you in the next video, the grammar part clearly. So, no need to worry. Now, let us see the bits. Complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. First one, Ravi is my brother. Dash is older than I am. Whenever boy name comes, you have to underline this one. Okay? He person is Ravi here. It is replacing the noun part Ravi. Second, Shobha is learning how to paint. She is very good at it. Why we have written she? Because she. Girl name whenever comes we have to use she. Will it good to say Shobha 2 times? No. So that's why I have written she. Third, this is a river. See how fast it flows. It replaces the noun river here. Fourth one now. Moin and I are friends. We go to the same school. Moin and I. Whenever these two persons comes, we have to use we. Fifth one. Tanya and Sana are talking about books. They love to read. Whenever we are talking about two persons, we have to use they. Dash must learn this lesson. You must learn this lesson, said the teacher to her class. Okay, this is the grammar for no need. Now, next bit. This bit contains, pronoun contains subject pronouns and object pronouns. Okay, so in this sentence, we and she are subject pronouns. Subject pronouns always it will be in the starting part and it will be doing an action. Subject pronoun does an action. Remember children, subject pronoun does an action. Okay. So what are the subject pronouns here? I, you, he, she, it, we and they are subject pronouns. Usually they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Then what is object pronouns? Object pronouns nothing but it will be at the end of a sentence. And what are the examples here? Me, you, him, her, it, us and them. Remember you will come in both the subject and the object pronouns. Okay children. So that was the grammar part. I will be explaining this also in the next video. So no need to worry. So till here we will be completing remaining bits in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.